Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Black & Decker hammer action, the model BDHD500. 500 watt hammer action, 0 to 49,300 ppm, keyless chuck with a 2 years warranty. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product, use it drilling on a wood, concrete, soft brick and see how it can perform. Well, nothing else at the box. The handle, manual, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. We have 2 meters of cable, quite long. Now there's the tool. Around we have soft grip, I like that. Orange, Black & Decker. The trigger, left and right, switch, lock switch, press the trigger and then press the lock switch. Okay. The keyless chuck, 13mm. This high performance hammer action quickly switches from standard drilling in timber and metals to hammer drilling in brick and masonry, concrete and other materials. Now let's install the handle. It goes here, just unscrew that. The screw. And you can hold it just like that. Definitely it will help you when you're drilling. I like it. Well, let's plug it in. There's the hammer. You can see the chuck goes further in and out. On a drilling, it doesn't do that. This is 10mm. Of course, I will try it and on a 13mm. Keyless chuck. Tied it very well. And let's drill a wood. And from 10mm drilling hole, this is 14mm. So easy without a problem. And next, add this wood. Nice! Let's try another one. Nice! Now let's try and add this soft brick with concrete filling. You can see there are no holes inside, it is soft brick with concrete. Oh yeah, on hammer mode. Okay, nice. Well, I think I need to tighten it more that. Perfect. Let's give it a try, another one. All the way in. Nice, I like it. Definitely is doing an amazing job drilling and this soft brick with concrete. I think it's a great choice to buy this hammer drill. If you consider to buy a hammer drill or any drilling tool, it costs only 30 euros. I think the price is very good. Has managed to drill this brick very fast, precise and straight holes, the same and at the wood. You can use it for drilling on a metal, plastic, soft brick, wood, any materials. 13mm, the maximum diameter, automatic choke, drilling to hammer drill so easy, only 1 second it takes. And it is from Black & Decker with a 2 years warranty. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.